Hey there! In this demo video, I'm going to show you how the Dubbify AI app works. Dubbify is the world's first AI video engine that allows you to paste any video URL once and instantly localize, translate, clone, and dub it into any language you want with the speaker's exact voice, tone, and emotion with spine-chilling accuracy. No API costs, no monthly fees, no hassle. Plus, you get access to our private marketplace that allows you to offer your Dubbify AI services to thousands of buyers and keep 100% of the profit. Dubbing and translating a video takes just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Click on AI Video Dubbing. Enter the project name. Select your video source. You can choose to manually upload a video from your phone or computer, paste a YouTube link, Vimeo link, TikTok link, X link, or any other regular video URL. For this demo video, I'm going to use a YouTube link. Step 2. Select your languages and AI voice settings. Select the video source language. We have multiple languages, just pick from the list. Choose your target language. You can choose to translate the video into French, Spanish, Hindi, Japanese, Portuguese, and many more. You decide. Specify the number of speakers in the video. Select your preferred video output resolution quality. Define the time range, i.e. the part you want to dub in the video. Optionally, you can remove background audio and enable the profanity filter. Step 3. Click on Generate. Yes, this is where the real magic happens. Your video will be dubbed and translated in just a few seconds, and you can view and download right inside your Dubbify AI account.
Ils savent que nous n'avons pas vraiment terminé l'école, n'est-ce
Oh,
pas?
c'est la meilleure partie. Ils te donnent vraiment un diplôme. Cours? Non, non. Tu mets juste ce diplôme sur ton CV et ça a l'air
Peux-tu
génial.
m'aider à comprendre ce que je vais
Ouais,
exprimer?
nous devrions travailler dessus ensemble. Allons chercher plus de snacks. D'accord. Alors tu as le droit de porter le chapeau et...
Whoa, this is incredible! Dubbify AI is a total game changer. Think about the possibilities. Your Dubbify AI can localize, translate, clone, and dub any video into any language you want with the speaker's exact voice, tone, and emotion with spine-chilling accuracy. With Dubbify AI, you can conquer any market, in any country, and reach billions of global viewers without recording, editing, or hiring voice actors. Here's the best part, Dubbify AI comes with a built-in marketplace that allows you to instantly start banking huge profits by offering AI translation and dubbing services directly to clients, charging premium prices, $500 to $1,000 per video. This is massive. And here's the deal. You get lifetime access with 0 monthly API fees. No hidden charges, no nonsense, just pure AI power in your hands. The time to act is now. Thank you for watching.